In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Piggy Roblox Discord server. We'll keep this super clear and straightforward, using Discord's built-in Discover feature so you don't need any invite links. Start by opening the Discord app or website and look at the left sidebar. Find the Discover section there and click it. Discover is Discord's directory of public communities, and it's designed to help you find and join official or widely recognized servers without leaving the app, which is safer and more convenient than using random links. Once Discover opens, head to the servers area inside it. This is where you can browse and search for communities. You'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type the word Piggy. Keep it simple. Just the keyword is enough to bring up the most relevant results. When the results load, take a moment to browse carefully and look for the real Piggy server. The genuine one will typically stand out with a high member count, a recognizable logo or branding related to Piggy, and a clear description that references the Roblox game. If you see a verified checkmark or any official indicators, that's a strong sign you found the right place. It's worth pausing here to make sure you're not clicking on a fan-made or impersonator server, as there can be many similarly named communities. Click the server you believe is the real one to open its preview. The preview page is your chance to double-check before you commit. Read the description, skim the visible channels, and make sure the community rules and topics match what you expect from the Piggy Roblox community. If everything looks correct and you feel confident, you're ready for the final step. Click Join. Discord may show a quick prompt asking you to confirm, agree to rules, or complete a simple verification. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and within a moment, you'll be in. After joining, the server icon will appear in your left sidebar, and you can click it anytime to open the channels. If necessary, adjust your notification settings or read any welcome or rules channels so you understand how to participate. And that's all. By using Discover, going to the servers area, searching Piggy, previewing the real community, and then clicking Join, you can safely and quickly enter the Piggy Roblox Discord server. Enjoy exploring, stay respectful, and have fun in the community.